Hey guys, good morning. Well, morning ngayon. It's still 7:08 and I'm in the office na. And for today's video, we're going to do a wear test ng itong Blythe Cloud Tint. So, I have yung shade 105 Cloak. Dun sa photos kasi, ito yung parang feeling ko pinaka-darkest or like pinaka-normal. Honestly, sa photos, magkakamukha sila. But today's goal is tignan kung gaano ka-long-lasting to. If this is long-lasting, I might buy other shades na sana hindi magkakamuka. But let's see. So, I'm gonna do my makeup. For my primer, I'm using this Fashion 21 primer spray. I'm actually loving it. My god, I'm so fluffy. For my base, I'm going to use itong L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is so full coverage. It's so thick. Kaya, konti lang yung nilalagay ko. Because, parang ano lang to, daily makeup chok-chok chenes. It's a concealer, but sometimes I use it in full face. And then, I'm just going to get my sunblock. Damp sponge. And then, I'm going to use itong Caroline Contour Stick. Hey guys, so change location tayo because this one has a better lighting. So I am done with my base. I don't want it to be too full coverage because I'm in the office lang naman. Now to set my face, I'm going to use yung Skin Potions loose powder. And then gagamitin ko rin yung damp sponge ko to set everything. Lalo na yung mga shiny shimmering splendid sa noo and sa under eyes. Yun lang naman yung importante for me. And on my chin. I'm going to use this for my cheeks. Pero ilalagay ko muna siya dito. Because I don't want to put it directly sa cheeks ko kasi mabilis siyang mag-dry. Mabilis siyang mag-iwan ng ayan o, ng ganyang tint. So, try ko muna sa fingers ko. Is so pigmented. Madali naman siyang matatakpan just in case. Let's try a damp sponge. So we're done with the cheeks. I like it. If blended well, it gives out a really nice flush of color na medyo natural looking if blended well. So I'm not gonna use this on my eyes as eyeshadow because it's gonna be too much kasi nasa office lang naman ako and I don't want to stain my eyelids kasi nakaka-stain to. So I'm just gonna do my eyes muna. So I have here my Blythe Cosmetics contour powder. Maglalagay lang ako ng very light just to add warmth sa eyes ko. Maybelline Line Tattoo. I love this eyeliner, guys, because it is so very matibay, so waterproof and pigmented. Diyos ko, sana mapantay ko siya sa kabila. For my mascara, I'm going to use itong EB Advance HD Waterproof Mascara. This is waterproof, pero hanggang dun lang yung parang powers niya. Hindi ako masyado nakakakuha ng volume and length sa kanya, pero ginagamit ko lang siya kasi sayang. Ayoko naman itapon lang. For my highlight, I'm going to use itong from Red, and this is in the shade Rose Quartz. Total ma-pinky-pinky yung aking look today. Might as well go use a highlight na may slight, very slight pink shade. Now this is a good highlight bilang dito and dito, but I don't recommend this for sa nose area. So, Blythe Cosmetics highlighter. Anything semi-silvery, fleshy, champagne-y color, yun yung perfect para sa nose area. Now we're down to the lips. Unahin ko muna yung i-blend out siya. Hindi siya orange like I see in the viewfinder, pero it's actually pink.
Lagyan ko na yung nakakain syempre ngayon.
Hello guys! As usual, it's already the next day again. I'm so sorry about my hair. It's, you know, one of those days na hindi ko rin naman alam ano gagawin ko. So I'm going to give you my final thoughts na about dito sa Cloud Tint. So unahin muna natin yung pros. Ang pros ito is it's very, very pigmented, obviously. It is creamy, madali siyang i-apply, and it leaves a stain. It's very affordable. It's long-lasting, and it's long-wearing. Lalo na as a blush. I love it as a blush kasi it really did last the entire day. Parang meron lang akong subtle flush of color by the end of the day. Parang natural looking siya. It melted into my skin, into my makeup. So that's good. But I also have things na hindi ko gusto sa kanya. Una sa lahat, hindi siya kiss-proof. So it's just like any lipstick. Kakalat at kakalat siya sa kamay mo, sa ininuman mo, sa kinainan mo, the spoon and fork and everything. And it makes me cringe a little bit. It's gonna go everywhere. So magfe-fade siya, pero mag-iiwan naman siya ng tint. Pero nga, it's just like a lipstick na magkakalat talaga siya everywhere. So if you're not careful, it's gonna smudge here on the side. Tapos, if hindi mo siya natanggal agad-agad, mag-iiwan siya ng ano din doon. Babakat din siya doon, the tint or something like that. So kailangan mo patungan ng concealer, kailangan mo patungan ng concealer, ng foundation, and or powder. Would I wear this again? I would definitely would, but as a blush. Mas gusto ko siya as a blush more than sa lips. Will I buy more colors?
siguro yung pink one. Yung pinaka, I think it's the lightest. Kasi yung 3 other shades, di ba 4 shades meron ito? 4 or 5. Pero yung other shades ito, parang magkakamukha lang sila, bae. Parang pag nilagay mo sa cheeks mo, it's just gonna give you the same shade. Like pinkish red or something like that. Pag nilagay mo sa lips mo, mukha rin siyang magkamukha. So, alam mo yun, it's not something na you have to collect all the colors because magkakalapit nga yung mga shade nila except for one shade that I particularly noticed na, ito medyo iba to kasi it's more on the pink side, not on the bright ganito. Alam mo yun? This is something you can wear every day, but this is not something na pwede mong isuot on an event or a very important occasion because I don't know if it's the formula or feeling ko it's just basically yung naging performance niya. Medyo nakalatan kasi talaga ako sa kanya kasi ang dali niya mag-smudge. You know, ang dali niyang kumalat. It's just like mas madali pa siyang kumalat actually more than the bullet type lipsticks ng Sunny's Face and ng Maybelline. Pag ito kumain ka at nalagyan niya ng oil or na moist siya, oh god, it's mas magmo-move siya lalo. I guess that's it. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Do I recommend this? Yeah, sure, because it's affordable. And alam mo yun, magagamit mo naman siya. Magagamit mo naman talaga siya. It's pigmented and all that. But this is not something na, alam mo yun, I'm super crazy about. This is not something na I would instantly think about. Alam mo yun, so feeling ko baka mas stuck lang to sa makeup kit ko. Hindi siya yung tipong ilalagay ko talaga sa KK kit ko. Hindi siya yung unang maiisip ko when I want to put color or something like that. Nothing too special, in other words. Pero alam mo yun, try it. Depende talaga sa'yo ako mag-work sa'yo. But for me, personally, those are my thoughts. I'm just sharing it to you guys. Yung final decision, yung final verdict is, syempre nasa sa'yo pa rin. Based on what you saw in this video, based on what I said and all that, yada yada. Pero syempre, the best thing to judge a product is to try it for yourself. And feeling ko naman marirecommend kong itry mo to kasi mura lang naman siya. If you don't like it, then, yeah, that's it. Hindi ka naman masyado mahihinaya kasi nga, mura lang siya. So that's it for today's video, guys. Subscribe and follow nyo ako sa Instagram and sa Facebook ko kasi, you know, I'm posting updates there. I'm posting different products there as well. So, alam mo yun, kung meron kang marirecommend, kung meron kang questions and all that, you can reach me there. Okay? So, yeah, again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!